Hi, so in this video I'd like to set up the Tkinter window. Make sure we get the game loop happening so that we can animate things, and I want to animate a moving circle. I'll be doing this in Visual Code, so let's get started. Alright, so in Visual Code here, for me I've already set my environment up. If you're using Visual Code, make sure to go into extensions and search for Python on the side here. Extensions is these boxes, and just install the Python. You'll need to restart it, and then you can set it to the Python debug console down here and put that, and you can look at your outputs and terminals down here, and we can start programming now. I'll just put that away. Alright, so first thing is we need to import the correct libraries, and the library that I'm going to import is this particular library here, over here. So let's push that off to the side and let's import it. So there's a few ways to import. One way is to go from Tkinter. We want to import all the different libraries and objects. Next, we need to now create our main window. So to create our main window, we can go main window equals capital TK open close brackets, and we can give the main window a title, so we know that it's the main window. Let's just go Windows ball demo. That's our goal. Ball demo, ball bouncing demo. Title, and now that we've got a main window, we want to put a canvas on this window. So we'll create a canvas. A canvas is a place for us to do our drawings on and build our demonstration on. Now, canvas itself, I'll just show you here. Canvas takes in a few arguments. It takes a master. That's going to be our root window, our main window. And then a few other things. The ones I'll be using is width and height. So let's just go main window is the first thing it takes in, and width is something that we want to set, and height is something that we want to set. Now you can look at the documentation of this particular library to see other options. Let's set our canvas to a particular color. Let's set the background to white, and this last part is important. At the end of creating a canvas, you need to call the pack method. Pack method here. We'll set some basics. We'll put the fill as both, and we'll set the expand to 1. Expand to 1 there. Right. And just to explain what fill both and expand 1 means, this is basically expand true, you want it to expand. 0 would be you don't want it to expand, and fill in the things to fill in. And also here, both means you want to fill horizontally and vertically, so you want both. All right. So we've got our canvas, and now what we want to do is we want to set up our main draw function, where we need a game loop of some sort. So I'll just put a comment in. Comments are with hashes. I'll just write this is going to be our game loop, and I'll go define the draw function, and this is our game loop. my game loop, I should call it game loop or something, but I'll call it draw. And what we'll do is we're going to go main window dot after, and let's set it to 15 milliseconds. Then we'll call draw again. We call it self, and then finally that kind of loops it in itself. So we go main window dot after. We'll put 15. Draw. This reschedules the event to start. So this kind of starts this, and then this keeps going back to its in itself. And finally, we need to call the main loop of the main window so it works. Alright, so this should create our window. Let's just run that, start debugging just this file. So you can see here, this is our window. Now you can't see any animations because, well, I haven't put anything in here. Alright, and just to demonstrate that you can get something moving in here, what I'll do is I'll add an item in this particular object. So what I'll do is I'll go ball equals to canvas. So I'm going to use the canvas to create an oval, and I need to save it into this ball object. And for this particular ball, I need to give it x and y coordinates. I need to give it x1, y1 and x2, y2. So the top corner and the bottom corner, top left corner, bottom right corner. And what I'll do is I'll just randomly give an answer. Say, I don't know, I'll just draw I'll put it at, say, 100, 100, and then 200, 200. And I'll put the fill color as blue is fine, and that's really all I need. Is there anything else I need for that one? Nope, that's pretty much it. So I put the ball in, and let's run that. Okay, so there's with the ball, the top corner here, the bottom corner here, 100, 100 here, 200, 200 here. All right, and we can change the position of the ball. What we can do in the game loop is go canvas dot move this ball by 1 pixel horizontally and 1 pixel vertically, downward. Let's run that just to make sure that it's working. It's working good there. So our game loop is working. Alright, thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.